Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Komal Bhosle. I am a student of first year computer engineering from Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. Me and my group member had made a project of Python calculator. My group members are Mayuri Bayas, Prathamesh Godge, Arya Arora, Atharva Kardile. We have made this project under the guidance of Professor Rajeshwari Aruna Devi Jaranthappa. Python calculator is a device that performs arithmetic operations on numbers. Basic calculators can do only addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division mathematical calculation. However, more sophisticated calculators can handle exponential operations like square root, logarithms, trigonometric functions. Some calculators perform all these functions by repeated addition processes.